Today we will be making this gymnastic cat craft. So for this project, you need to have the cat. You also need 2 straws, some colored pencils or markers, and also some tape. So I have my cat cut out, and I'm going to finish coloring the back with some pink here. And for this project, you can make your cat any color you would like. I'm making this one pink, but my last one was yellow. I'm sure you can make a blue cat too. He'll look cute. So just here on the paws, and I have them colored. And now I will show you how to make the rest. So you have your straws, and they have this part that moves. So you want the 2 moving parts to be facing each other here. And we're going to tape them together in the middle. So I need a piece of tape. And first I'm going to put it on one straw. And then I'm just going to put the other straw next to it. So it's as even as possible. And then just wrap the tape around like that. And so I have my 2 straws, and I can bend it if I want. And this will be the main part. And then I will need to tape the cat on. So what I will do is add some tape on both of his paws. So another piece of tape here. It's extended paws, and then I will just match them up with the swing, like so, and then just pull the tape over and around and just attach the paws like that. And then I can just fold the tape, and it should work now. And your kitty is ready. Thank you for watching.